Hey there, Daily Promo Board. So, today I'm going to show you how you can use TubeBuddy to do all of your copywriting research. So, the first things first. At the bottom of the post, I've included an affiliate link. You just plug that into the top of your browser. You would click Install for free now, as long as you're on Chrome or something similar to Chrome or Firefox. You would go ahead and install the extension. There is a free version, so I recommend you start with that. Then once you have that all downloaded, settled in, you can just click this little button right here. It should show up after you sign in with your Google account, register the account, all that good stuff. Today, I'm going to show you the Keyword Explorer and how to use it. So Keyword Explorer, you will have the option to also see things that are trending in different countries. So let's say you wanted to check what's trending in the United Kingdom, coronavirus, Bernie Sanders, United States, Passover, Linda Tripp, Snapchat. These give you ideas of things that you could tailor your leads and content to. It might be too general for you, but it is top of mind for people. There are lots of searches. It can be very beneficial. For today's example, though, I'm just going to pretend we're doing something with keto. So here you can see a breakdown. You can see the search volume, competition, optimization, strength. What we're worried about is the search volume, number of videos and search results, and the number of monthly searches. So the number of videos in the search results tells me how many other people feel like this is an important topic. It gives me a general idea of how popular this is with the market. The number of monthly searches tells me how popular this is with the consumers of information. So this is how many people care about what is being posted. This is how many people are looking for this term. This is how many people believe people care about it. So just don't worry about that too much. Just if you see lots of monthly searches, you're probably on the right track. If you don't see a lot of monthly searches, you're either niched down and that's a good thing, or you're possibly in a dead topic that no one cares about. So just to do that in this example, you'll see related tags over here. Actually, this is probably one of the most useful features of TubeBuddy, because a lot of the times you're not going to think of these related tags, and these are how you form your own niche. This is how you pick your niche. This is how you niche down. So let's see, keto diet for beginners, related tag, click that, puts it in as the new keyword. Lots of videos in the search results. Search volume is allegedly high. If I want to niche down more though, you'll see the related tags, they're getting longer. How to lose weight in 3 days, vegetarian. Okay, so keto diet for beginners, vegetarian. Who cares about this? Let's see. Not a lot of people, not a lot of monthly searches. You are either really niched down, or there's just no audience for it on YouTube. There's clearly people posting about it and not enough people searching it. Would tell me it's not a very good topic to do. But then I'm looking here. Okay, so what's related? Oh, lazy keto recipes. This looks interesting. Okay, number of monthly searches, much higher. So this is telling me there's at least some subsection of the market that wants lazy recipes, wants something easy. So let's see what else is here. Let's see, because I know there's a really good tag that may or may not naturally show up in here. I'm not going to waste your time with that. I'm just going to type it in. So if we type in keto snacks, you can see there's 661,000 videos in the search results on YouTube. There's 1.74 million monthly searches. That is a lot of monthly searches. So we can see like the web searches, the video topics, but the video searches is what you're going to care about if you're sticking to YouTube for YouTube ads or trying to use it for that. So we can take a look. All right, so are people looking for keto snacks on the go? Oh, and the volume dropped by a lot, but this could be your niche. Keto snacks on the go. You could sell how to prepare them, how to make them, where to find them, where to get the best deals, whatever, right? You can package up information that way. Quick keto snacks on the go. We're getting more specific, and maybe that word quick just doesn't resonate with people as well. So it's got a lower monthly search volume. But if we go back to keto snacks, and we want to see what kinds of content is getting attention, just go up here, click results, and we can see, okay, so cleanest keto snack foods at Walmart. Oh, okay, at Walmart, then that seems to be getting some good results. 17 keto snacks at Walmart. Lots of views right here. Friendly snacks, keto snacks, from Dollar Tree. So maybe people want cheap keto snacks because Walmart's like a cheaper place, but maybe they're not willing to go to the dollar store for it. Maybe they don't necessarily trust the dollar store. You could draw your own conclusions, but if you want to go in and get more information, like we're about to do, you just click the video, you'll be taken to it. You can see the likes, dislikes, when they posted it, the kinds of keywords that are in here. Okay, so they've got the links to everything. That seems like a good idea. You can also see how they're doing their call to actions, their lead magnets. You can check their tags over here for TubeBuddy. So keto snacks Walmart, keto snacks ideas. A lot of these will give you ideas for how you can niche down yourself. You can also see other video statistics. I believe this is only in the paid version, but I could be wrong. So when you scroll down, you'll see, okay, he's asking, what are your favorite keto snacks from Walmart? Now you see, oh, they're asking about Costco. That might be something to note down if you have a bunch of other people asking. But you do have to remember this is from 11 months ago. So relevancy, recency, that does count. Show more replies. So you see a lot of people, the keto bombs, keto cheese. A lot of these comments are fairly old. Oh God. Some of these people. Slim Jims. Net carbs, cheese bites. But yeah, you can start to see if there's any trends. Do people keep, like, people are going to be talking about pork rinds a lot? I'm almost positive. You can also go by how many likes certain comments have. Like, keto should have an aisle at the store. Well, is there a way you could appeal to that? To people? Could you suggest exactly which aisles to look for? Exactly which, like, where to find the snacks? Let's see. Okay, here's someone recommending a dessert that they've made. People seem pretty happy with that, so who knows? Maybe like common keto dessert snack mixes or ways to mix the snacks and get something really cool. When you read into this enough and you start looking at what people are talking about, that's when you'll get your ideas. That's when you'll be able to niche down. That's when you'll be able to create your own space. So you can go from red ocean, slightly less red, until you're in your own blue ocean. Because the comments will lead you there eventually. Now, this process will take some time. It's not going to be totally black and white with people saying like, oh yeah, I want this product exactly. You're going to have to do a little bit of reading in between the lines here. So if we look at keto snacks, Costco. Okay, so there's less searches for Costco in particular. Let's see what people are saying about Aldi's. Okay, search volume, it's not telling me. But yeah, this is how you can start to get an idea of what people are looking for specifically. Like, okay, so Amazon snacks, 7.4 thousand. So that could be a convenience delivery factor. People might not want to leave their houses to get the snacks. They might have better snack selection. Let's see Walmart. Okay, this has a crap ton compared to the number of video search results and compared to the other, 49.8K. So that tells me people on keto, they might be looking to save a little money to get a better value, but they're not willing to go to the dollar store, and maybe shopping online for food's a little too unusual. Now, that's just me taking an educated guess. The only way you can find out if that's actually true is by going into the videos, seeing how they're filming them, what they're talking about, what they're focused on, the likes, the tags, but most importantly, the comments. Because the comments that's going to reveal what people are talking about, what they care about enough to respond to. Okay. So yeah, you can find like success stories, people suggesting things, pork skins, how to make guac and use pork rinds as my chips. Yeah, you're going to get a lot of people talking. So that's easily my favorite part of TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is also going to have some other features on it that are very useful. So things like the SEO Studio. That's going to be really useful if you want to do your own YouTube channel. You just enter your target keyword. It helps you optimize for SEO. If anyone's interested in that, I can go over that another time. The best time to publish. So you say where you can consistently publish. That is an interesting idea here, but you'll see that they've got a whole bunch of instructions here to help you with your YouTube channel if you decide to do that. If you decide to run YouTube ads, this will help you find what people are searching for and what videos are doing best. If you're just doing copywriting in general, this will help you explore your topic. It'll help you get research. It'll help you get quality research into the minds of like the people. So you can start to see more of what they believe in, what they resonate with, because you'll see that the speakers in the videos, they talk a certain way. They might talk about certain topics. They might have certain political views or certain views on money. And then the more popular they are, the more the people probably resonate with that view. So you would just have to take some of those views and implant them in your own copy, right? And then there's other circumstances, like if you're just doing, you're trying to find a niche, right? You don't know what to do. You don't know what product to make, but you have an idea of things that you like. Keyword Explorer. And let's just say that I really like, I don't know. Let's say I really like leather wallets and I can actually spell them correctly. So, leather wallets. Is there a market here? Whoa, I didn't expect that. Okay, so there's actually a lot of searches here. Now I would start to ask myself, wait, okay, why do people search leather wallets? Are they looking for men? Let's see. Ooh, I'm going down a rabbit hole here and I like this. So leather wallets for men. What about handmade? Is this what's trending? There's definitely a lot of videos for it, but there's not much here. So let's go back to leather wallets for men. I would go ahead. I would see the results. All right, Gentleman's Gazette. Huh. Okay, so why are people looking at this? Let's see. 10 best wallets. Why are people concerned with this? Hey man, can you... Jesus. Interesting. So there's a whole lot of comments that don't have too much with them. How many subscribers does he have? Okay, so a lot of them are watching this. That boss gets compliments when I pull out the card. Just found your channel by accident. Some of my favorite YouTubers. This video is a game changer. 30 months of receipts. But yeah, so basically if you were to go through here, so let me see, check out the mask on leather. They aren't cheap, but they're beautiful. You'll start to get a feel for if people are always mentioning the same thing. Like, are they talking about the stitching, like how much the wallet can hold, what it looks like? Are they talking about the cards in the wallet? Do they even care about the wallet? Some people don't. So even the meme comments, like this looks hilarious. But let's see. Okay, there's only one. Vaultskin wallet is great. Bifold wallet is the mode of wallets. So you see, sometimes you're not going to find anything that seems particularly useful. Except, you know what, that in itself is useful. Because of the fact that, hey, look, I've got a bunch of comments on a wallet video, but a lot of them aren't actually about the wallet itself. So are people more interested in the aesthetics? rather than the wallet, which is, it's still part of the wallet. But then you can start to look into, okay, why are people interested in certain wallets? So look for wallets on a time letter. Music too. These are the funny comments that sometimes will have good stuff in them, usually not. If I bought a gentleman's gift, I wouldn't have any money to put in it. That is funny. So you'll get this, like, okay, what are people willing to pay? Alright, so I decided to cut off my ranting right there. I just want to leave you with, all you need to do is go to https://www.tubebuddy.com/Andrew T. You'll just go ahead, you'll install the extension for free, and just so I can clear all of this up for you, this is an affiliate link. Here's the pricing. If you decide to get an upgraded plan, I will get a small percentage of the sale. So there's the Pro, Star, and Legend options. I personally use Star because, as you'll see, the free does give you some good options. It gives you some good stuff. The Pro starts to give you enhanced options, which is your first basically paid plan. All of these are great if you want to start up a YouTube channel. And then Star, it's going to have the most features that that isn't Legend here. So if you want to go through it, if you're interested, you can always go right up here. It would be right here, pricing. You can get a better look at the pricing, see what's worth it for you. I think this is the annual price. Pay yearly. Oh, okay. So it's even less if you pay yearly. I think that's what I do. I pay like $130 something a year. But yeah, you can see what features you need. Oh, that's why I upgraded. Okay, so Keyword Explorer is limited on the free plan. Okay, it's very limited. That's why I upgraded. So if you just want to use the Keyword Explorer, things like that, you could definitely get away with just doing the Pro plan, $9 a month. Let's see what else. If there's anything else major here. Yeah, you'll also get some extra licenses and software to things if you want. That is also a benefit that comes with this. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll see if I can help you with them.